Hi there everyone. Today brought mostly clear weather to South Africa, although up in northern Limpopo, cloud cover was gradually thickening as the afternoon progressed. And we had similar conditions over parts of the Western Cape as cloud cover was backing up over the southern mountains of the province, bringing cloudy weather to parts of the coastline. Here in the weather centre, we've also been keeping an eye on a couple of showers that have been remaining off the west coast of the country today, but have been slowly approaching the area. We weren't expecting any rain, but we can't rule out the chance of a couple of showers reaching the area overnight. Taking a look at the rainfall accumulation for tomorrow, and there's going to be a very good onshore flow for parts of South Africa's coastline on Friday. That will bring rain for the garden routes as well as towards the wild coast of the Eastern Cape. And along with that, there could be some significant rain, especially along the southern coastline towards evening. An upper air trough will also be moving over the area. That will destabilize the atmosphere over the Karoo, and for that region, there is a possibility for 1 or 2 thunderstorms. Along with that heavier rain along the south coast, there is a watch in place for significant or heavy rain over the area, mainly during the course of Friday evening and into Saturday morning. So we'll be keeping a closer eye on that area over the next couple of days. Here's your detailed forecast. KZN mostly clear and dry, except in the south where there could be 1 or 2 showers. And we'll see wet weather over parts of the Eastern Cape, including some areas over the interior, except Komani and Aliwal North, where we expect it to remain dry under partly cloudy skies. Moderate to heavy rain in the evening towards the south coast of the country. Inland, there could be a few thunder showers, including Beaufort West and Oudtshoorn. And lighter rain is also expected as we head further westwards towards the Overberg, and 1 or 2 showers could also clip past the peninsula. The Northern Cape will be mostly dry, although in the south there is a chance for isolated thunder showers, including Carnarvon, Prieska, maybe even Sutherland early in the day. And for the Free State, it will be a partly cloudy and dry day once again over this province, with some places climbing quite high above 20 degrees. Similar weather in the forecast for the northwest, partly cloudy afternoon expected all across the province, and it will be a warm day over Limpopo, with many areas getting into the mid-20s, even though there will be some cloud developing over this province. Crossing over into Mpumalanga, and we see warm weather for the low-veld. Skukuza gets to 26, while it remains typically mild on the high-veld. And finally into Gauteng, it's going to be a partly cloudy afternoon, temperatures getting above 20 degrees for all areas. The wind forecast shows moderate winds for some parts of our coastline, although fresh around Cape Town, and there's a very good onshore flow along the Eastern Cape coast that will be pushing in the moisture that brings the rain. A look ahead to Saturday, when it remains wet for many areas over the Eastern Cape. There could even be some heavier rainfall around Port Elizabeth. And on Sunday, things will start clearing up over that area, while on the high-veld we expect it to be mostly sunny and dry. Johannesburg, you get to 23, while Pretoria peaks at 25.